Hey, I'm Jarrad.
And I'm Josh. Welcome to our home.
Josh and I met about 4 years ago, and since then we found just a beach shack here in Buddina, which we had a vision to create this duplex. All of a sudden we're sitting in here now, and it's been a good journey.
This is our first duplex development that we've done.
When we were looking for a property to buy, we thought of Buddina because it was a bit of a hidden gem on the Sunshine Coast.
We've got the beach so close, perfect for the dog.
So we just saw potential in this area.
When we did the design, we tried to look at each room and just say, all right, how can we sort of maximize this potential? Our home needs to make you feel calm. And that's sort of why we chose this white calming palette. Being near the beach, I think we wanted to definitely keep a coastal feel, but make it feel luxurious and high-end. So that's why we've chosen to do real marble stone tops, huge format tiles, huge windows and doors.
We went with the high ceilings to again reflect that openness.
Natural light, there's a lot to be said about natural light.
So when choosing our finishes, when we were designing, we wanted to keep everything on the same level in terms of the high-end finishes. So through our house, we have a lot of Arlo stone, and we just were drawn to ABI tapware because it complemented that.
It's minimal luxury, which is what we have gone with this design. The texture of the brushed nickel with all the different tiles and stone cladding and stone tops, it's really just sort of complemented everything we've chosen and finished it off.
I was able to visit the ABI showroom on the Gold Coast, and it just made it very simple. And I think you came down and saw it and you fell in love with it.
Anyone you ask now who are you using for your plumbing fixtures and fittings, it's always ABI.
Yeah. For myself, the oversized entry with a big glass door is definitely, for me, the highlight of the house. Being able to walk in and literally see through the 8-meter high atrium, into the pool, see what Josh is cooking in the kitchen. It's a nice way to enter the home every day.
Why it worked so well doing this project was because we have two sort of different skill sets that we sort of amalgamated together. So I'm more organisation, financially trying to keep it in budget sort of thing, and Jarrad's the more creative side. Yeah, the design side, which is what Jarrad's good at. Looking back, we didn't realise how much wow factor is in this place, and I'm pretty proud of what we've sort of achieved here and what we've managed to do with the time and the design.
It's a good feeling when we have guests and family and friends come over. We always get the exact same response each time, which is like, wow, this is amazing. So yeah, it's a huge credit to both of us. You know, you put in a lot of time and effort and you reap the reward.